give it a rest.
Oh, have you been here all day?
Yeah. Oh, good. More caffeine.
What's my ringtone? Nice and upbeat. You should talk to your mom.
She's so mad at me that I won't come home and sleep in my pink canopy bed.
I always wanted a pink canopy.
I wanted a horse. Please don't tell me that you always wanted to dissect dead people.
Okay, I won't. I have to go to the forensics lab at Quantico tomorrow.
In the middle of this?
It's connected to this.
Right. Yeah, here we go again. Why are you part of the need-to-know loop? And he's trying to kill me.
Jane, this case is a lot bigger, and it's far more complicated than we thought. I want to tell you.
Great. Fill me in.
I've been ordered not to. It involves national security.
Are you kidding me?
Jane, where are you going?